which is like this. So metastasis has to do with these enzymes that break down what they call the ground substance, the collagen, the glue that holds your cells together. These enzymes break it down so that that cancer can weed through there and start spreading through the entire body. You can actually cement this stuff together with this material. If you add proline, which is an amino acid, and lysine, another amino acid, you can really accelerate the cementing of your connective tissue back where you want it to be. And this was done by another orthomolecular disciple, doctor of Pauling, by the name of Matthias Rath. Okay? So, the benefits of additional vitamins: B12 creates cobalt ascorbate, anti-cancer compound. Lipoic acid recycles vitamin C because after vitamin C gets used, it becomes what they call DHA, dihydroascorbate, not active. Lipoic acid and vitamin K3 turn it right back into ascorbate again. So you add those cofactors to keep the vitamin C titer up above 400 milligrams per deciliter in the blood. You add those cofactors, it'll hold it up there. These are bowel tolerance levels now. So what are you going to do between your IVs? I got 3 IVs a week. I still get 1 a week right now because I've been a Lyme victim 4 different times, and I'm still trying to deal with that. In fact, I'll be honest with you, Lyme's been more difficult for me than lymphoma because I got bit 4 times, and the 4th time was the one. That was the kiss of I don't know what, kiss of the tick. So, but you take vitamin C between the IVs to hold that titer up, and you can see that your body will take exactly what it needs, up to 40 grams a day before you get loose. Some people might be 5 grams. But some folks that have different kinds of illnesses, and your body knows, because when your bloodstream starts dropping precipitously low with ascorbate, because it's gone to dihydroascorbate, your body says, hey, I need more, keep giving it to me. And once your ascorbate levels in your blood are adequate, it doesn't want any more, so it stays in the bowel, and out the back end it goes. You get loose and you say, I'm at tolerance, okay? So these are some of the other compounds that Hoffer did. I've changed it a little bit for my own use. You can see that on my website. Here's the vitamin C solution if you want to take it that way. Is that 10? All right, good. All right. So this is vitamin C solution. If you want to make it up, this is on my website. Go to Cows, Cancer, and Consciousness on my website. You'll see a lot of the slides up there. So when going conventional, all right, everybody goes conventional. I know it. I mean, no matter what I hear, people still go conventional. Okay, if you're going to go conventional, use regional anesthesia and surgery at all possible opportunities.